Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a balanced investment portfolio with Morgan Stanley step by step clearly. Begin by defining your investment goals. Consider your time horizon and risk tolerance. Evaluate your current financial situation. Gather information on your income, expenses, and existing assets. Research various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Consult with a financial advisor at Morgan Stanley for personalized advice. Discuss your goals and risk tolerance with your advisor. Develop an investment strategy that aligns with your objectives. Explore asset allocation options suitable for your income and lifestyle. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes. Allocate a portion to equities for growth potential. Invest in fixed income securities for stability and income. Consider real estate investments for additional diversification. Review mutual funds or exchange-traded funds for broader exposure. Incorporate alternative investments if they fit your risk profile. Analyze the fees and expenses associated with each investment option. Establish a schedule for regular portfolio reviews and rebalancing. Monitor market trends and economic indicators affecting your investments. Stay informed about changes in tax laws that may impact your strategy. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on performance and life changes. Document your investment decisions and rationale for accountability. Continue educating yourself about investing fundamentals. Keep an eye on investment performance against your goals. Be patient and avoid emotional decision-making. Seek continuous guidance from your Morgan Stanley advisor as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.